Welcome. You have the course on the dashboard. You can see that this is the data structure course. You click here. When you come to this data structure course, now you have to design your course for the LMS. And the first task is this wheel menu, action menu. You can see here. Once you click, you turn this on, turn editing on. Now, in this wheel menu, you basically have course completion checkup, filters. You can set up your gradebook, backup. You can back up your course. You can restore your course. You can import materials, and you can also reset. So we turn editing on. Once we do, now it's ready. Actually, this particular course. So the first thing is this welcome page. So what I have to do now, I will actually edit this section. And when it comes to editing, your first thing is you can say, welcome to data structure. Now this is a welcome page for the student. So you can welcome here and you can put the basic course information layout that we actually created. Like I can actually copy and paste from my course outline. And just for your simplicity, we just have this, and then I can actually I can add my personal information as I was showing you. I will show you that also. So let me save the changes. Now once you change it, you can see that it's a welcome page is created, and you can actually add different textbook, and this particular page is very important. And when you want to add an activity, general activities, if you can see here, when we click, we can have assignment, attendance. This big blue button is for recording. You can have chat, choice. Congria is actually online platform tool that you can actually take class and connect. You can have database. You can have feedback. Weekly feedback we do using this. You can have forum. You can have content. This is actually interactive content. You can see H5P activity module enables you to create interactive content. You can have lessons. You can actually create adaptive learning content using this lesson activity. You can have quiz, SCORM package. And beside this, you can also add book, file, folder, different resources. But one thing I will tell you always that do not connect your resource directly upload in the server, but try to create a Google Drive and keep all your contents in the Google Drive. So this is just the intro page for the course, and you can actually define all this dates. For example, this one I'm saying week 1, and then I can put my class dates here. Let's say Sunday and Tuesday. Sunday and Tuesday, 15th and 16th February. Like this, so I can edit and I can actually go to this section again. Edit week, which we can actually write the learning outcome of the week. And I can design this. Based on my course outline. So I save the changes, and you can see this week 1 is coming, and I can add different activities. So I will actually show you one of my course here in the dashboard. You can see that how this intro page should look like. For example, this is a big data analytics course which is going on, and this is a course general information. You can see the structure that I have created using the HTML layout. You can see my picture, and these are the reference book, these are the tools, and generally in the intro page we also collect information from the student and course online outline and policy. And then these are the weeks, like you have seen this week 1, I have this introduction course, and I have the class discussion slide here. I put YouTube links, but this discussion slide is also coming from my drive, from my Google Drive. So If you actually click, you can download, but this is not uploaded here. I put the link, so I'm going to show you that also in the next session. So let's get back to our course, and we get to see our course here, recently access code data structure. Alright, so thank you for watching.